Good PM. Today is November 12, 2023 Sunday, and here are the 3 PM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sur 3 PM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 12, 2023 Sunday. Here are the SL Sur 3 PM result for Mandawi City under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for November 12, 2023 Sunday. Thank you for watching this 3 PM video for Sunday, November 12, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.